Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download an Instagram chat. So first of all, open Instagram. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. After that, click onto profile, click onto three line, account center, scroll down, your information and permission. Click on to download your information. Click on download or transfer information. Select Instagram and then next. Select message option, tap on to next. Next. Select date, all time, and if you want to change your Gmail address, HTML, media quality, medium, high, low. I'm selecting medium, and then click on to create file. Okay, you need to just waiting some hour, then Instagram team and send you a download link. Click on to download and showing here to your all Instagram chat. So that's it, that's how you can do it.